Did you know your Samsung phone has a hidden button that's disabled by default? When you turn it on, you can get extra tools and quick controls to make use your phone much easier. Stick with me until the end. I will show you exactly how to activate it. If you have a Samsung, make sure to subscribe to LearnoTime. Go to the setting, scroll down all the way, and you find accessibility. Then go to the interactions. You will see the assistant menu. It's turned off by default. Turn it on. Step 1. Go to the setting. Scroll all the way down until you find accessibility. Tap on interactions. You'll see the assistant menu. It's turned off by default. Turn it on. And just like that, the floating button appears on your screen. Custom this floating button. This button is the floating shortcut menu. You can move it anywhere you want on your screen. When you tap it, you will see the bunch of helpful tools. You can full customize it. But if you don't like the floating button, go to the assistant menu, turn it on, show as age icon. Now the button becomes the clear age style icon that sits on the corner of your screen. You can move it anywhere, anytime by holding it. To customize this assistant menu, go to the assistant menu, tap on the select assistant menu items. You can select this item or you can remove it. Just tap on it. When you customize this, go back. Now go back the assistant menu. With this hidden feature, you can create tunes, a shortcut, and make your Samsung phone much faster to use. Make sure to check my next video, 8 important settings you must be changed right now.